Hello guys, this is a Dota2 configuration video. I have the problem in which actually I couldn't find a way to save the configuration file for my keyboard settings. I'll be very specific right now. For example, I have here the standard setting and I did not use quick cast for my skills, but for a few certain characters I appreciate the quick cast function, and for a few specific skills of those characters, not all skills. For example, Lion, right? So I have the Hex ability with the quick cast saved, right? When I start to play a new character, I found out that I was not able to save the quick cast function. For example, so here what I'm going to show you is that I cannot save the configuration for these settings, right? Thing we have to do is find a configuration file. I'm going to the program files file here, folder actually, and now I have to find where I installed Steam. So basically you have to find whatever place you installed your Steam, and now I'm going to user data. Apparently this is my user, and now I have to find the Dota2 specific user data. Each one of these numbers is actually a different game. Let me check which one is for Dota2. Oh, okay. 570 remote, and now I have to go here, CFG. Okay, so you can see here this file opens up with the notepad or notebook, and now I'm gonna switch the camera here. Okay, so this is my Dota2 keys personal file. When I open it, I get this configuration file here. The first thing I'm going to do is search for the character I want to change the configuration, Spectre. So the part where it shows the legacy ability, it's not actually the part where you want to change this. Honestly I have no idea what this is, but it seems to be the configuration for the original keys people used to bind for Dota 1. Okay, this is what I imagine it is, but this is not what we want. I cannot find a second time the Spectre, but if I search for Lion, for example, I have a second finding of this character here in the personal configuration files. Let me go up for a moment. Yes, so I have the legacy ability for Lion, okay. I have this item build for Lion, which is saving, right? And I also have the modifier of the keys and the modes for Lion. Okay, so if I wanted to create one for Spectre, I would just how do I say? I would just reinsert the same structure of text, but just do the how do I say this? Just change the name of the configuration. So I'm going to copy Lion, reinsert Lion, yes, and I have to be very careful with the structure because there are some brackets here and they seem to be relevant to make it work. So I need to have 2 times the same structure. So I have Lion here in a bracket, right? Lion's here. And you can see that the second skill for Lion has mode 1, which means it is a quick cast skill. The other ones are not quick cast skills. So I go here. So I have to check the structure. And now I just change it here. Spectre. This one is actually a passive, so it doesn't matter. But this one isn't. This is the actual active skill Spectre has. So I have to check this structure. Does it have like 2 brackets before the character? Yes, it does. 2 brackets. Let's see. 2 brackets before Spectre. So Spectre is fine. We have 2 brackets before the Bounty Hunter. There's also this space. I don't know if this is a problem or not, but we're going to test this. Let's see if it works. Let's check the configuration file for Spectre now. Okay, so it does work. It's here. Let's give it a spin. Let's just try one more time. Let's get the skill, which is a passive, and also put it on quick cast. It doesn't make any difference, but just to check if it's actually saving the information properly now. Let's go again, Spectre. And it's here. I recommend you to save the file before you do this kind of operations, right? Before you do any changes. I have a copy of it, but you can see that I haven't made many mistakes since I started changing, so I don't have another recent copy. But this is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.